Hi, good afternoon, sir. Myself, Gaurang Babu, a student from International Institute of Hotel Management, Delhi campus, representing my college in one of the culinary competition on the occasion of Paratan Pav. I am here taking the part for the third time in any of the culinary competition. Before that, I have taken the part in two of the culinary competition hosted by International Institute of Hotel Management, Delhi campus, within which we have done the cooking competition online from our home back at the time of lockdown.
Hello everyone, my name is Diptorag Dattagupta. I am a third year student of IIM Kolkata. I got the opportunity to represent my college in this event of the World Tourism Day. I am feeling very proud to be a part of this event, and also I want to thank my college and all my faculty members to giving me this opportunity to represent and be a part of this event. I am very much blessed to be a part of this college and also very much blessed to be a part of this event. Thank you.
Hello to everyone. My name is Jayavardhan from International Institute of Hotel Management, Jaipur, and I want to be a chef in future. That's why I choose my major as a kitchen or food production department. My interest is generated from the childhood and my see the cooking of my mother's cooking and
Hey, my name is John Bayan. I am from Guwahati. I have joined Guwahati IIM. I am from Cold Fest 2021, and I am here to be a chef. And I am glad that I have been a part of future chef competition. I hope you will see me in 25th. Thank you.
Good evening everyone, this is Karthik Kekere from IIHM Hyderabad campus. I am the first year student of this college and I have enrolled myself in Junior Master Chef competition which is going to take place on 27 on the occasion World Tourism Day, and I am so excited for it and I am really looking forward to start my cook-off and make my campus win. Thank you so much.
Hello, my name is Silrin Namatangtho, but you can call me Omam. I am from Aizawl, Mizoram, currently studying first year Bachelor of Arts in Tourism Studies at IIHM Pune, and I am here to compete for the future chef. Thank you.
Good morning, sir. My name is Sarthak Bhalla. I'm from Kanpur, Uttar Pradesh. I pursued my class 12 from DPS Kalyanpur, and now I am pursuing my higher studies at IIHM Delhi, Badarpur. I want to become head chef in future. That's my target and my goal for life. And I joined this competition for the most experience by sharing my dishes in front of you all to present myself in my flavors and everything in front of you. Thank you for selecting me in this competition, and I hope I'll win the competition. Thank you.
A very good afternoon to everyone present here. My name is Shimanti Mondal, a student of first year from Institute of Advanced Management. I would like to express my thankfulness to my respected professors for giving me this wonderful opportunity to be a part of this event. We do not just use ancient recipes, we leave behind the love along with them. So I am going to bring back one of those exotic lunch of lost Bengali recipes. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Jasmine Kaur Kukreja and I'm a third year student from IIHM Delhi. I'm one of the participants from the pastry skills competition and I would like to tell a little bit about myself. So I've been baking since I was 13 or 14 years old, but I've grown up watching my mother bake and she's the one who's taught me all the basics and all the skills that I know. I also run my own home bakery called Sugar Mama's Cakery, and it's an honor to be a part of this competition that's given me a chance to showcase my talents. So thank you for selecting me and making me a part of this. Thank you for this opportunity. Looking forward to the competition.
Good afternoon everyone. My name is Nikita Gupta. I'm a student of Institute of Advanced Management from first year. I enjoy a lot when I make something like cakes, pizza, etc. I'm very much excited about my competition on the day of World Tourism Day. Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity. Thank you everyone.
I'm very passionate about baking, and that passion even led me to open my own home bakery that I have been running since like January. I had a pause for my industrial training, so I can tell that it is the passion that led me to here. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Sardananda Takilambam from Manipur, and I'm pursuing my last year from this IIM Guwahati, and I'm selected for this pastry and both hot chef as well as, and I'm very excited about this future chef, and I will do my best in this competition. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Sumit and I'm a third year student from International Institute of Hotel Management, Jaipur. My major department is food production, and the reason why I'm interested in this department is that cooking is a hobby which I have admired since my childhood, and I have been cooking since I was 10 years old, so that's why I'm more interested in knowing more about.
Hello everybody, my name is Valentina Paul and I am representing the IIHM College Pune. My hobbies are singing and baking, and thus I chose to enroll myself for this competition. Baking helps me express myself more. I'm looking forward for this upcoming competition as I want to learn new things and make the most out of it. Thank you.